Conscious ka ba sa double chin mo na kahit anong diet mo, hindi siya mawawala? Good news, we have here a solution. This is called lemon bottle injection. So this one, we inject this by mesolipo or the mesotherapy lipolysis. That's the injection of fat dissolving substances on the fat cells. So we can do Aqualix by Mesolipo, Lemon Bottle by Mesolipo, and of course the LipoLab with Mesolipo. So what is common right now, the most popular one is the lemon bottle. So based on experience, the result is very fast. In just one session, you can see the difference right away. So we're just done with lemon bottle injection. So right after, mayroon dyan mga bukol-bukol dito because that is the fluid deposit of the lemon bottle. So right after, dapat you should do heat emitting devices like RF or Exilis. So to help further dissolve and melt the fats. So you can have another session after 2 weeks depending on the size of the area you want to lessen.